Hello everyone. Today let's see how we can use the filter by class uh, tool in Blender Bonsai. If you have a large model, large IFC model, etc., and you need to select the some elements which is of a certain IFC class, and you can use this filter by class tool. So for that, just go to the project overview tab, and then down here we can find filter selection here, and there you can find the filter by class. Currently it's disabled, and you have to select some objects to enable this button. So before that, I have opened an IFC model which I have downloaded from an open source BIM model set. So I found a post by CGN Wang in LinkedIn that they have open sourced the GNI BIM dataset, and it contains 224 anonymized IFC building models. So when I click this link here, I redirected to another website with the downloadable IFC models, and I downloaded one among them and opened it in Blender Bonsai. So to select, to make a selection, I'm going to the left orthographic view wireframe mode and just select these elements in this story. So now you can see the filter by class has been enabled, and just click this button and you can see these much classes has been checked here. So there are IFC building element proxy 6 elements, IFC column 16 elements, IFC door 12 elements, and IFC furnishing elements 106 elements. So in order, if you want IFC furnishing element only, just deselect all and then select only IFC furnishing element and click OK. So now only IFC furnishing elements has been selected, and just press the slash key to isolate them. And here you have the IFC furnishing element filter easily. So if I open a window here by clicking and dragging from the corner and go to properties, scene properties, and here we have the object information tab here. So just click this chair here and we can find its IFC furnishing element with a name, Knoll Multo cover, and it's a cover side chair here. So we have these IFC properties here, and there is a spatial container for that. So this is a way we can filter these elements. I am exiting the isolation mode. So we find when we select this, we find how many IFC classes are there. So if I press filter by container, we see the spatial containers of these elements we have selected. So we have another option also. We found out that there are classes like IFC slab, stair, IFC column in these models using this filter by class option. So if I find this IFC door, I'm just deselect all and I just select IFC door only and click OK. Just isolate them and select one door. And here we can see the type of the door. The name is quite large. So just just click the edit button in type and just we can copy this. To copy this type name, just select type here and go to the edit button in object attributes, and you can just copy this type name here. Just close this, make this window small, and just isolate this. So we have the IFC type copied. Instead of using this filter selection, if you have if you know the type or any other attributes of these elements, just go to the search tab here and click add search group, and there you can add a class filter here, just type IFC door here. Then you can add a type property here and add a type filter and just paste the type name here. And then you can click search IFC elements, and we have found 10 results and 10 objects selected, and just isolate it here. So these are the doors with the type name we have copied earlier. So these are the two simple ways by which you can select by class type, and instead of this type filter we have attributes, property, material, classification, location, etc. If you have information about these, you can use all these things to filter by the add search group in the search tab. And thank you for watching. And if you want more of these tutorials, just follow my channel. Thank you.